Very important case in a number of respects, not least the fact that the opinion that everyone looks to, the Jackson opinion, was by Justice Jackson, who was, of course, FDR's Attorney General, and certainly a proponent of expansive executive powers.
But you also said he's one of the justices you admire the most.
He is, for a number of reasons. And what's significant about that aspect of his career is here's someone whose job it was to promote and defend an expansive view of executive power as Attorney General, which he did very effectively. And then when he went on the court, as you can tell from his decision in Youngstown, he took an entirely different view of a lot of issues. In one famous case, even disagreeing with one of his own prior opinions, and wrote a long opinion about how he can't believe he once held those views. I think it's very important.
Are you sending us a message?
Well, I'm just saying, one reason people admire Justice Jackson so much is that although he had strong views as Attorney General, he recognized when he became a member of the Supreme Court that his job had changed, and he was not the president's lawyer. He was not the chief lawyer in the executive branch. He was a justice sitting in review of some of the decisions of the executive, and he took a different perspective. And that's, again, one reason many admire him, including myself.
What do you think makes a great justice on the court?
I think people are great in many different ways. So I think some justices are great because they have extraordinary wisdom. They have an understanding of how to apply the law in their times in a way that's completely consistent with the text of the law and the purposes of the law, and it's also completely right for the times that judge lives in. And there are some justices, I think, who have had a very strong pragmatic sense of how the law operates in society and a real wisdom in terms of thinking about the way the law operates in the society of their times. So one justice who comes to mind on that score is Robert Jackson.